Hello there, thanks for joining us on a rainy August day in Ontario, Canada. In this video, we're going to be talking to you about the Lmia Owner Operator Investor Visa. Now, this is for persons who are business owners and who are wanting to become Canadian permanent residents by investing in a Canadian business. And so we'll have much more for you on this after the break. As always, do remember to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. We'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers who are inside Canada and outside Canada. I help them to become Canadian permanent residents without having to deal with all of the complicated legal forms that are part of that process. Now, some of the people who we help to become Canadian permanent residents are investors. These are business people in their own countries who are wanting to become Canadian permanent residents by investing in Canada. Now, Canada has several options available for persons who are wanting to invest and to become Canadian permanent residents. One of the options is for persons to invest through what's called an Owner Operator Lmia program. So an Lmia is the abbreviation for a Labor Market Impact Assessment. And generally speaking, when an employer in Canada wants to hire a non-Canadian, they need to show that there's no suitably qualified Canadian to do the job. And the way they do that is by applying for an Lmia. An Lmia owner operator pretty much allows a non-Canadian business person to apply for the ability to invest in Canada by first applying for a labor market impact assessment that will show that their business that they're wanting to set up here in Canada is suitably qualified to do so. And so once they've done that, they've successfully applied for an Lmia, they are then able to come to Canada themselves as the owner and operator of this business that they would have established in Canada, whether it be through an acquisition or through building something from the ground up. Either way, they in turn would have been able to come to Canada to operate this business. And by virtue of being in Canada and operating a business, which would now be a Canadian business because it was established here, they in turn become eligible for an employer job offer from the very same company that they would have set up. And this employer job offer may allow them an additional 50 or 200 points depending on the level that they occupy, the level they're at within the organization. So if they come in as the head of the organization, then it is likely that they may be able to get an additional 200 points, which would be put towards their permanent residency application. And so the owner-operator option is going to be a viable option. It's a good option because while it will require that the owner-operator must show that you have sufficient investment funds and a sufficiently high net worth to convince the authorities that you're able to successfully carry through this investment, there is no minimum net worth that's stated. And so this gives this program an advantage over some of the other investor programs which all have a minimum required net worth. So that's a big thing. The other advantage that this program has is that it does not tie you to any particular province. Okay, so you are able to apply for an Lmia owner operator work permit, and that then would allow you to invest anywhere in any province in Canada as well. Of course, one of the requirements is that you must be the majority owner in this business that you're going to be setting up. So that's going to be important. The other thing is that while this option will allow you extra points, between 50 to 200 points, it does not guarantee that you'll become a permanent resident, right? It only allows you to get an additional number of points that will strengthen your permanent residency application that you might have put in, but it does not guarantee it. And so you would want to work with a professional to do your strategic planning to be sure that if you decided to utilize this option, that it would definitely put you in a position to be able to secure your Canadian permanent residency. And so just in a very general sense, that is what the Lmia Owner Operator program is. I hope you found value from that. As always, do remember to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com.